Hi everybody, tell it to the top here. Thank you for clicking this video. Thank you for watching me. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe. Like this video for me and please hit the notification bell for me. Okay. So guys, I am at my friend, a guy that used to live in Canada. And now he moved to Ghana about 3 years ago. I think I posted a video about interviewing him. So you can watch that video. He moved to Ghana and he has his own cabinet company. He's really good. I will insert one of his videos that he's been his YouTube video so that you can see it. I am in his shop and I am here to talk to him about my cabinet. He's doing a cabinet for me and it's really good. The materials that he uses is good, and I'm just trying to, he has all the machines, big machines to make it look professional. That's professional work. Every kind of machine that you will need to do good cabinet, you got it. So I'm making this video to tell you guys that he's doing my cabinet, and when he's finished, he came to Accra to take the measurement. He's in Kumasi, he's based in Kumasi, and he came to Accra, took the measurement, and I decided to come here and make a video about his shop and introduce him to you guys. So as soon as you want to use him, you can use him. He's a professional cabinet builder, and also wardrobes, indoor wardrobes, walk-ins, and all that. So you can use him because, like I said, guys, I always introduce people, and that's how I am. I introduce people. When I introduce them, I want them to do my job first so that I can say, oh, he did this for me. Amen, right?
Yes.
Mr. Computer Man. Yeah. So this is a cabinet that he did for somebody. It's almost done. Therefore, most yes, some year juma pa mobile juma, mobile boni ye, right? Munye ni ye, nanya kama. Now say no. Customers ne basta.
Okay, well, 48 one, blah, that you're in the phone.
You know. Machines. Oh, you'll be cabinet, inside. Now can we choose this inside? Because inside we're not gonna me in the copa me kitchen walls no. But inside we say asa. I didn't get this. Yeah. And my units are very durable. This is a treated. Where foreign? What's a foreign wood? Laminated wood. Very nice. Very, very nice. Yeah. And to where then? Where?
White.
I know, but where cabinet?
I need a cabinet. Boxes in the
Boxes in even no. To where call war one I say where call.
No, we
A form no.
In front of an nation.
Ah. Yeah, guys. It's nice.
24. Okay, wait a 24 to 36. We made 36. Yeah, I couldn't say.
Everything is computerized.
36. 36 now, 26. About 36 and then 36, 24. 32, 24. Yeah. Which is one? That's one, sir.
A more do that means I a papa, right?
Yeah.
And more do.
Okay, 36, 24, 32, 26. 32, 26. Dada, 33, 36, 26 in the bar. 22, 24, 32, 24. No. Okay. We're 32. When this one, we couldn't see, but because of table, let's see.
Oh, I like inside the way. Oh, even inside way, be na minya ya kabe mi do. So what to we? Asa. Oh. And me warn here pepper. Yeah. We can me be me cabinet. Aba kasa wall ho na ahwe. But any wall no tiles na e. It's saying. Yeah, but white is it? Oh, no, so yeah.
No, we
Okay. Okay. Nti hana dots ne ko. Where am I the be na where plain ones? Me pet. Me pet the wo ye ni. Hey, board no more do papa. More do. Where any one for cabinet TV. Kitchen cabinet. Oh, wow. The way honey is smooth to crown. Wow. Where the approach that you pow? Wow. And therefore, this is really quality cabinet. When you one cabinet TV. Papa. And we are not to say. And we are papa.
Doors.
Wow. Hey, kitchen way, a very heavy pile. Very nice. How do you draw it? So, yeah, drawers. That's nice. And the end, no, drawers, and I wear cabinet.
Oh yeah, microwave.
Microwave.
Microwave at a lower cabinet, lower microwave. Microwave machine.
Now, maybe I know you're the best boss.
Oh, the other
Your fan was here. But side, no, but cutter.
No, so but so no. Make our yak and the bar, maybe I said this. It's really open and make me a box.
About marble shop, I maybe herself. Maybe I pick a marble for my cabinet.